doing? What is your first memory about money? It could be something from your childhood, it could be something more recent. The first thing, if you think about money, what's the first story you remember? Next Prep is a 4-year program that starts in 9th grade, and the goal is to help students identify different pathways that match their income, education, and life goals. And so that starts by understanding what those goals are and what those pathways are. And then slowly over time, over those 4 years, we have a sequence that builds students towards choosing the path that's right for them with the right return on investment that will allow them to meet those goals. So our workshop today is all about money and how careers and income and education intersect. So this is our 3rd workshop, and the 2nd workshop students really looked at what their different post-secondary pathway options were, meaning what they could do after high school. And so today we talked a lot about what is the relationship between education, career, and income. Then we moved into a matching activity where students had to think through what the education required for certain careers were and what that median income might be.
What if the ones we know that are right, we put them all together? Like we stack them up. This is registered nurse. So with this, what's this one? Interior design.
My name is Lee. I'm the 10th grade Next Prep teacher at Kairos. So I see all of the 10th grade students. They come to Next Prep twice a week. So we have worked on identifying strengths, identifying what their purpose is, and writing purpose statements for themselves right now.
My name is Kai Stiebel, and I go to Kairos Academies. Next Prep is like a program in school for you to find out what job you want to do when you're older. It's like the starting steps for what you want to do like later in life.
We dive into what they'd be interested in, post-secondary pathways, practicing soft skills for careers in the future. Think, are you thanking the speaker? Mirror, are you mirroring back what they say, repeating back? Verbal communication is one that we're working on right now, and doing group simulations, individual simulations where they can really work on those with their peers and with professionals in the industry, so that by the time that they experience those things in a professional setting, they've seen them, they've been exposed to them, they've practiced them, they feel comfortable with them.
How are you, Dick?
Good. My name is Gayla Sabin. I work for the St. Louis Community College.
And there are some areas that I wanted to point out regarding.
We have been creating a scenario where a student comes into a midpoint interview with an internship, and they're greeted with some high points and some areas of constructive criticism, and they're using the principles that they learned in the classroom, providing feedback and clarifying questions and things like that.
That you guys are seeing my hard work. I really appreciate your support. I'm helping me reach out, trying.
Today specifically what we're working on is how to take feedback. My name is Tier Jordan Sutton. I'm the CEO and founder of Activate STL. My role is when the students come in, I prep them around how the process is going to work. There's a camera so that we can watch them while they participate in their simulation.
The students, a couple of them are asking really great follow-up questions, thinking about what would it look like to follow through on the feedback that they've received.
Good posture, you're blinking a lot.
Do you do that when you're nervous?
It helps us be better at speaking to adults, how to be professional in a professional setting, what to do and what not to do whenever you're speaking to someone that you're trying to get a job.
I like to see that Opportunity Trust has opportunities that are connected directly to students and the impact that students have as they're moving closer and closer to joining the workforce or whatever those opportunities that they're interested in pursuing as far as internships and work.
Good morning. Hi guys. I'm Amber Wood. I'm the Vice President of Clinical Education for SSM Health. What we're doing today is to introduce health programs to high school students, get them interested in things that they maybe perhaps don't realize exist unless they know somebody who is, in a particular health career.
You will be standing on your feet because you stand.
I think we're in the double digits now for site visits. We've been to a real estate firm, we went to Four Seasons Hotel, we did one on cybersecurity and coding. We have them pretty much every week from now through the end of the school year, just so kids can sign up for things that they're interested in or maybe just want to learn more about and see what it's like to actually work in that field at the site from professionals. I think the deeper layer with that is you have kids that already have something in mind that they want to do. So for example, Kai, one of our students here today, wants to be an anesthesiologist. So when they go in and they get to ask questions from people who have been in the setting that they want to go into, they can ask people with actual experience. It's a really powerful connection that they can have, and they're building that networking and those connections as well.
Other one here that just has.
You get to actually get hands-on learning and like learn what they do and like be as like a nurse or surgical tech for like a day, and it's really cool. When they're just talking about it, you have to visualize it yourself, but when you actually go to it and there's like a simulation, like you get to see what's actually happening and you don't have to imagine it at all, and I think that's amazing.
I can see what
Kairos is very, very fortunate to have this partnership with the Opportunity Trust. It's been really, really cool to see our students go from like being probably a bit apprehensive about the program to like really hitting the ground running and like seeing firsthand now this is where our work pays off.